Did you know that losing $100 feels almost twice as bad as the joy of gaining $100? Crazy, right? It's wild how our brains work. Psychologists Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky proved this in what's now called prospect theory. This bias is known as loss aversion, and it silently controls how you, as an investor, behave in the markets. Think about it. When your portfolio dips, panic hits harder than the joy you feel when it rises by the same amount. That imbalance may be costing you real wealth. As an investor, you've probably experienced this. You enter the market with confidence, knowing equities are risky. But the moment your portfolio falls even 5%, panic sets in. Suddenly, your long-term plan feels unbearable. That's loss aversion at work, your brain magnifying losses and downplaying gains. It's not weakness, it's wiring. Our ancestors survived by avoiding danger, not by chasing rewards. But in investing, this survival instinct works against you. Here's how it plays out in real life. When markets rise, you're thrilled, but you sell too early because you don't want to lose your gains. And when markets fall, instead of seeing opportunity, you freeze or sell in panic to avoid further pain. The result? You cut your winners short and ride your losers too long. Loss aversion makes you focus on not losing today rather than gaining tomorrow, and over years, this fear eats away at your returns. So how do you overcome this? First, reframe losses. Instead of thinking, I lost 5, think, I still own the same number of shares. The market is offering them cheaper today. Second, set review rules. Don't check your portfolio daily. Review quarterly or semi-annually to avoid emotional swings. Third, pre-commit. Write down your investment rules. I won't sell unless my long-term thesis is broken. This acts as a contract with yourself when emotions run high. Think about it. If you ran away every time markets dipped, you would never experience compounding. The biggest wealth is created by those who stayed invested through crashes, not those who panicked out. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient." Loss aversion feeds impatience, but discipline builds wealth. So, the next time your portfolio dips, remember this. The pain you're feeling is real, but it's not a signal to act. It's your brain tricking you. Don't let loss aversion derail your financial journey. Subscribe for more insights on how behavioral biases shape your money and how you can use psychology to build lasting wealth.